How great this would be if you would be able to know exactly at what point of time your market that you are analyzing is going to move to the upside. Or how great it would be if you could in advance know already in the next months, for example, which markets you're going to put on your watch list and then finding attractive setups for your trading. This is what we are covering, and in this video I give you some hints about which markets are moving when, and let's discover that. My name is Frank and I'm from the XM Live Education team, presenting every day things about trading, and I'm talking very often about seasonality. If we are talking about seasonality, we are taking the patterns that we have seen on a specific market in the last couple of years, and we are looking into the future if at a similar point of time the markets are setting up to move again in a similar way, in a similar direction. And this makes trading really plannable. Did you know, for example, that gold has two major buying points throughout the year? The first buying point is around in the middle of summer. It's coming up around end of June, till middle of July. We see a behavior in gold that that around this time frame, we are getting very often gold moving to the upside. And if we know this in advance, how easier can it be than just to put, for example, in our calendar a note that from the end of June, we are looking into the gold market specifically, and for example, combining this with the sentiment and with technical analysis to find exactly the right timing when maybe gold is moving out of a downtrend situation, returning the trend and moving to the upside. So this makes the trading absolutely plannable. And the second point of time when gold is starting to move very often to the upside is just in front of us. We are starting in the beginning of December, right before Christmas, that we are seeing gold usually entering its second buying zone throughout the year. That means from a couple of weeks from now, we are putting gold on our watch list and exactly observing if we find out, as gold currently is moving to the downside, we have the ideal situation to maybe enter exactly in this kind of market when the technical conditions are coming up. So this is what we are inviting you at XM Live Education, and in the description below you find a link to our room. But before I'm saying goodbye to you in this video, I would like to give you still another hint for a market that can be planned. And this is Thanksgiving, a Thanksgiving trade. The public holiday in the United States are actually essential to be traded, for example, in the S&P. Did you know that in 80% of the time, the Thanksgiving trade in the S&P, meaning we are entering a buy position 2 days before or 1 day before the holiday starts and keeping this trade open until after the holidays, we are making a positive trade. If this is not a plannable situation, I don't know anymore how easy trading can be. And if you want to know more about exactly such events and when they're coming up, XM Live Education might be the right spot for you. See you there.